everyone, my name is Emily and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button down below because I upload pretty regularly and I hope you will enjoy my content. I put a lot of effort into it and it's what I love to do. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to get on with the video because I don't love a whole rambly intro. Today's video is going to be a clothing haul. Now I know what you're thinking. It doesn't say Primark haul in the title. Whoa, is this even Emilee? It is. Today's video is a look of the day haul. I found this website on New Year's Day and everything was on New Year's Day sale. So everything was like a £5. I know. So I purchased some bits. So we'll begin with what I'm wearing right now. Please excuse the fact I have my onesie on because honestly it is freezing right now. It's like 2 degrees and I am so cold. So I have my little onesie just like wrapped around me because I've been wearing this all day. But this first thing is the t-shirt that I'm wearing right now. Usually I like to roll up the sleeves because it's a very long sleeve, but I thought I would show you the actual length. So I roll mine twice to get to about this length. But this is the normal length of the sleeve. It's a longer length short sleeve top. This is how I like to wear the t-shirt. So on it, obviously, as you can see, it says Girl Gang in white and it's a nice red shade. They also do this in black with white writing and white with black writing. I just thought it was really cute. I'm not really into slogan t-shirts, but I'm really into the colour red at the moment and I'm just like trying to get more red pieces into my wardrobe and I thought this was super cute. Funny story, my friend literally bought like a very similar top on the exact same day that had Girl Gang on it without telling me. Like we didn't even like discuss this and then we went out yesterday and I wore this top and she wore that top and we're like, oh my god. This wasn't even discussed. But yeah, so I thought this was really cute. It's quite a long t-shirt but I like to tuck it into high-waist jeans. I would show you if I wasn't wearing a onesie, but you know. Yeah, this was only £5 and I got it in a size 6 because it's quite like a baggy t-shirt. So I'm just kind of pulling things out with the bag right now. I've tried all of this on and then put it back in the individual wrapped bags, just so I can tell you what all the items are called. So the first thing, other than this top, is this red crossover crop top. I'm going to try and do some try-on clips as well, but this is a this is a crossover top red. That's what it's described as, and as you can see it just crosses over at the front and I thought it was really cute. It's kind of like plungy and it's this really nice, like, is it like a waffly material? I don't really know how to describe this material, but I really like it and it's really, all of this stuff feels super good quality. And like I said, this was only £5, but it's super good quality. And this is from the brand Passion within lookoftheday.com. But yeah, I thought this was super cute. I'm not sure how much they are now because I got them on sale, but I will link all the items I got down below. The next thing I got is a high neck lace up long sleeve bodysuit in rose. So this is what it looks like. It is ribbed all the way down and then this middle section is all open and then it ties up so you can like adjust how wide you want it, and then it has a little high neck as you can see, long sleeves, and it's just a bodysuit with the poppers at the bottom. I have a really short body. Like I have average length legs, if not kind of long legs, and I've got a really short body because I'm 5'2", but my legs are like average length of like normal people, and obviously 5'2" is not average height, so you can imagine how short my body is. So I was very sceptical on buying bodysuits, but this actually, because it's quite of a stretchy material, it actually fits me, so it's alright because it's quite like small and then you stretch it out. So yeah, I really like this. I really love the colour pink. If you didn't already know from watching my channel before, I love it. It's my favourite colour. Right, so the next thing is the velvet bra strap crop top pink in the size 8. So this is a little bralette kind of thing. As you can see, it's crushed velvet. It's like a little bralette thing. Honestly, this doesn't fit. Honestly, it fits me, but it doesn't fit how it's supposed to because I don't know if you can see this bit is supposed to go under the boob. But when I have it on, my boobs go down to like here because I'm a bit larger in that area. But yeah, it still fits really nicely, and it has adjustable straps, which is nice. A lot of things that are cheaper don't have adjustable straps, but these do, which I love. Again, this was £5. I think the bodysuit was £10. I think both of the bodysuits were £10, and then all the tops were a £5. I'll check my thing and like put it down below. But yeah, this is really nice. Again, really good quality, double lined, so you could wear this without a bra and like not see anything. And yeah, it's just really, really good quality. The next thing is a bit different than what I was expecting. I was expecting cotton and a lighter pink shade when I ordered it, and literally this is the only one that came. I was like, I didn't order that. And then when I opened up, I realised I did order this style, but not the material or the colour it came in. But I actually really like it, so I'm not mad about it. This is the cross front tie back crop top in pink, and again I got this in a size 8. So this is really hard to show off, so you will definitely need the try-on clip for this. But it's basically, right, so this is the front. Oh god. So this is the front, so you put it on like that, and then this strap goes across the back like this, and you tie this. And then these ties basically tie at the back, and again it has long sleeves. As you can see, it's very, very bright. It's a really bright fuchsia deep pink shade, which I don't think I actually own anything this colour. And I love pink, so I thought this would be a nice little change. The next thing, honestly, I saw it on the website and I was like, am I cool enough for that? I don't know. I'll buy it anyway. It's a £5. And then it came and I was like, oh, it's not quite what I was expecting. And then I put it on and I was like, oh wait, this is better than I was expecting. Honestly, this I would say is the best quality piece out of everything. The material is so thick and heavy that it just sits really nicely. It flows really nicely. So this, again, the bag doesn't say what it is. So this is the tie front crop top with frill sleeve in green, and this is in a size 8. I'm pretty sure everything I bought they do in different colours, so if you don't like the colour but you like the piece, then definitely have a check out on the website. So again, this is one of those things that kind of you'll have to see it on, but it is a tie at the front. Well, it doesn't tie at the front, but it like crosses over at the front, and then you've got these ties so you can like cross those over at the front. You'll see in the try on. And then it has long sleeve, and these are like really frilly. I don't know if you can see, but this material is super thick, super good quality, and it's so good for a £5. Like, I paid a £5 for this. The next thing I got is the high neck bodysuit with cutout front in black. Again, size 8. Now this one, I'm not sure. I think it might be a tiny bit small on my boobage area, but I'm thinking if I just like wear a squishy inny bra, like you know how some bras you wear, they kind of like squish you in as opposed to like anything else. Like they just kind of like squish the boobs down. I'm thinking I might be able to do that. So basically, if I show you, oh, it's inside out, one sec. So this is, again, it's a ribbed material like the other one. This isn't quite as stretchy as the other one, so I'm not sure if I might get a bigger size. Not really sure, but again, high neck, long sleeve, ribbed material, and then it has this cut, I don't know if you'll see, this cutout, you'll be able to see in the try on bit, a cutout like here, and then it just goes down into a regular bodysuit with poppers and all. And yeah, again, this was £5. I'm not really sure on this one. I might give it to my friend because it was a £5, but there's no point in me returning it. I do think they have free returns, but I might as well just give it to my friend. The final piece is a tie-up shoulder 3-lane knitted jumper in black, pink, and I got this in a medium because I wanted it not to be super tight. So this is what it looks like. This is the jumper. So this is what the jumper looks like. As you can see, it's 3 tones, black, cream and pink. They did this in so many different colours. Like I said, go and check out the website. It then has a tie-up shoulder detail on the black section, and then it just goes into normal jumper sleeves, and the bottom is all like scalloped, which I think is really cute. Sorry, I have hiccups. And yeah, I just thought it looked quite cute on. You can never go wrong with a good jumper in the winter time, and I really like black, cream and pink, so I thought this would be perfect. And again, I think it was only a £5. So that is everything in my haul. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you give it thumbs up, subscribe, the usual. And if you want me to do check out any other websites that have decently inexpensive clothing on them, make sure you tell me down below. Message me on Instagram. My Instagram will be on the screen. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye! You have no idea how happy I am that I can finally put my onesie back on.